Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix Minecraft launcher error code 0x87e50038 on Windows PC. Method 1. Repair and reset Minecraft launcher. Go to Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Minecraft Launcher. Click on three dots, then select Advanced Options. Click on Repair button. Click on Reset button. Once done, relaunching Minecraft and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Stay up to date. Make sure the system is always up to date. To do this, press Windows key, then type Control Panel and hit Enter. Select Program. Select Java. Now, navigate to Update menu. Click on Update Now. If there is an update available, update it. Next, go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates to check if there is an OS update available. If there is, update your PC. Once done, relaunching Minecraft and see if error code 0x87e50038 goes away. Method 3. Temporarily disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. Antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstall Minecraft Launcher through the Microsoft Store. Open Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down and you will see Minecraft Launcher. Click on three dots, then select Uninstall. Restart your PC. After that, open Microsoft Store. Go to the search box, type Minecraft Launcher and hit Enter. Now, select Minecraft Launcher, then install it. Once done, error code 0x87e50038 should go away. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.